Use headphones for the better experience.
Life. Life is one big tug of war. Either you're losing or winning. I know it's hard. I know it seems impossible. But guess what? Nothing is impossible if you don't quit. Are you making progress or stagnant? The choice is yours. Feel no pain. The pain that you face today will make you a better, stronger tomorrow. Remember, a road to success is a lonely road. It's a lonely feeling. Along the road you're not gonna find too many friends. But in order to have what you want, you must keep going. You will have your reward. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Thank you.